Here's a Waltham. This is about a size 16, and it has this cool case to it, like a 1920s, flapper era case. I really like this one because of the case. I think it's neat. It's very ornate, and it appears to be maybe, I don't know. I can't tell if it's silver, if it's just nickel or what have you. But we'll take it open. I service this one too. This one's running strong. We'll pop it open. We'll take a look. And look at that movement go. 15 joule Waltham. I mean, this thing is it's just moving like a train. Look at that. Yeah, this is a nice one. Absolutely gorgeous. They look nicer inside than they do outside even.